Hi friends, this is basically an update for December, how I'm expecting markets to move in the month of December. Primarily because one thing we need to understand, because the correction which we are expecting and the substantial correction which I'm expecting is primarily driven by geopolitical equations, right? It is not driven by the economic fundamentals or the money supply, right? So in that particular case, geopolitical situations will suddenly change. Okay, so that is the way it works. In the month of December, I'm expecting surely the correction. I'm already short whatever we have created. Right, we are continuing with our shorts because I think 500, 700 points probably will not make much of a difference in our strategy per se. Right. There are a few things which we need to understand because earlier also I told you there are two events which I'm expecting. One, surely the China stuff, which is starting from say 21st of December, which is going to continue till almost February end, right? The second thing is they're going to be a connection of Jupiter and Saturn, and at that time, that particular day, which is going to be 14th or I'll say 15th of December as per India time, US time 14th of December, right? That day also expect certain things to happen. Okay. There might be some political uncertainty, and I expect markets to start hopefully correct by that time, right? We are also, to be honest, we are also waiting, but they are all geopolitical situations. So the geopolitical situations takes a bit of time in developing, and that is the way it works, right? But once they develop, then they suddenly kind of impacts the markets, right? The second thing which you focused it earlier, which was primarily the dollar depreciation, which is reached to a particular level, but I guess they're going to be a substantial. I expect substantial downturn in the next 1 2 years from the current level, which is currently at around 91. That's the dollar index, which is currently moving in. So this video, I'm just basically reiterating my point, right? We need to be very, very cautious in the markets, right? And I do expect we are still continuing with the short, so don't worry, right? The only thing is you may have to probably roll it over for a month as well, right? There's a possibility you may have to roll it to the next month, which is February, but things are not good. Things are not good. Yeah, one thing is which is far sure, which I've already told you. India surely is going to outperform in terms of the first correction and maybe the upstick after the correction, right? And the second thing which I want to tell you, because post this correction, right, where I do expect market to maybe even touch the same levels which we saw in the month of March, right? It's going to be a grinding kind of first sudden and then grinding low, right? Which probably in all probability will continue till April end, maybe like May, something like that, right? Because but afterwards the markets will rebound sharply, right? And in terms of rebound, my particular understanding, we should go all out for Indian equity surely, right? Because the second thing which we have already I've made one video on that as well, where I expect Indian market to perform substantially higher from the current level post the correction. Okay, and we are talking about not in terms of percentages. I'm talking about in terms of multiples. Maybe like we can again go up to around 20,000, 25,000 Nifty, right? That's not a issue as well. But obviously, intermediate corrections and all those things will keep moving on. But that's going to be till almost like your 2025, 2026, which is around 5 years from now, right? So April probably is the time to buy. But at this time, we need to be extremely, extremely careful in the market. I know a lot of people are making easy money, right? Which is normally, in my experience, right, professional experience as well. I'll say that probably is the last leg of the rally. Normally, that is the way it happens. Okay. I'm not saying that you don't kind of go into the market and probably create a short or something, but yeah, something like in selective stocks, we had been long. But broadly, in terms of market, we are purely hedged, right? So even if we have taken certain specific stock positions, simultaneously we have shorted the market as well. So this is the forecast for the month of December, and for January, obviously I'll update you. But 14th, 15th December is one critical day which we need to be very, very careful about. And secondly, 22nd December onwards, things hopefully will go into the reverse direction, right? So thanks a lot for your time. In addition, I told you we have already started our trust, IM Development Foundation. We are running one small program at the moment, right, which is primarily giving used laptops because during the COVID situation, things are not looking good for students who can't afford a net-based communication device, right? So a lot of people have helped, right? Uh, so thanks a lot from my side to those guys, right? One corporate has surely helped us. So we had been able to distribute certain laptops and certain iPads, right? So if somebody can still help, because there's a lot of people who are in need, if it is possible, my contact details are already there in the link, right? You can please send me a mail or probably communicate. If you can help, great. I'm not saying that everybody can help, but even in terms of resources, because we are looking at people, if we can get some people in Pune and Bangalore, because we have sufficient amount of people in Bombay and Delhi. But Pune, Bangalore is one place where because there are people who are actually asking us to pick up some laptops from the offices and all. But because of COVID, communication and commuting is an issue, right? So if there's someone who's in Bangalore or maybe Pune and ready to help, that's going to be great, right? Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks for all your time. Pleasure is all mine. Thanks.